So in this Coinbase tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Ethereum Classic, ticker symbol ETC on Coinbase. So once you have Coinbase open up on your device, simply go to the bottom here and press on trade. Once that is done, go to the top bar and press on search for an asset. Then once you're in this screen, the search bar, type in ticker symbol ETC to bring up Ethereum Classic right here. Press on the top option. So once you're on this screen, go to the bottom and press on trade, and then press on buy ETC with cash. Now in this screen, type in the amount of money you wish to invest into Ethereum Classic. So I'm just going to go ahead and press 2 for the sake of this demonstration. Once that is done, press on review order. It's now going to take a couple seconds to review your order and then take you to the final screen. So just, bear with it for a couple more seconds. And once that is done and you want to finalize your purchase, go to the bottom, press on place order, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy Ethereum Classic, ticker symbol ETC on Coinbase. I hope this video helped.